Hey guys, Walter Gray here, feeling fierce and reporting live from the runway. JK, here's the riddle for you. What is the largest market in dropshipping that accounts for 33% of all dropshipping sales and brought in $779 billion in 2024? Hitting a blank? Let me give you another hint. This niche gets up to 40% increases in profit. That's right, folks. We're talking about dropshipping apparel and fashion. You don't have to be a super fan of Project Runway in order to appreciate what dropshipping apparel and fashion can do for you. For dropshippers like us, fashion and apparel is a goldmine. Stick around to the end because I'm going to tell you how to get a jump on Fashion Week trends and make some good money. Fashion Week is obviously a big deal in terms of fashion, and for us, it's important because it sets the tone for what people will be wearing for the next 12 months. So it's an important thing to keep your eye on if you want to sell what's trending. From New York to Milan, Paris to London, designers are showing off the next big thing, and you don't have to be a designer or a fashionista to get something out of it. 1 minute neon green bomber jackets are strutting down the runway, the next everybody on TikTok is wearing them. Influencers are tagging them, and that one fashion conscious friend that everyone has to have one. People might not want the $5,000 designer version, but they definitely want something that gives them the same look and feel. And that's a sales opportunity, my friend. The real opportunity here isn't selling high fashion, super expensive pieces. Although, if that's your thing, then that's good stuff too, man. The opportunity that we're talking about here is taking trending looks and finding a more everyday way to get the same effect and then selling that to regular people. The main reason I'm into that approach is that it captures a wider audience. Although it's also a fantastic idea to mix more accessible fashion with high-ticket fashion items in order to get the full range of customers. In order to get ahead of the demand, a lot of times I just look at the numbers and stats from last year's Fashion Week trends, and then I check out what designers are taking part in Fashion Week this year. And then I look at what they make, and then I make my decisions based off of that. As always, getting in early is pretty darn important. If you can get in on a trend before everyone else gets in, before things get oversaturated, then you can get the max number of people running to you as soon as the trend pops off. Otherwise, you'll just end up seeing how other people capitalized and will be thinking, man, I should have jumped on that. Some items I've been tracking that are showing serious promise are things that are kind of like minimalist casual or vintage looking stuff, you know what I mean? Take the women's cropped woolen coat with leather spliced details and belt, for example. It's chic and sophisticated, but you can also layer it over jeans, skirts, or anything casual, and it's always got enough edge to stand out. You can grab it for $234, and it will easily resell for around $816. That's about $582 profit per sale. Sell a few of those a day during early fall, and that adds up to huge numbers fast. Same thing with the minimalist color contrast slim fit knit sweater for women. It's the ideal sweater for fall weather. It's both stylish and comfortable. It's perfect for campus, cafes, or casual hangouts. It costs around $34 and you can flip it for up to $141. That means you can make up to 3 times what you spent, and that's in pure profit. Then you've got the wide leg casual pants with elastic waist. It's sleek, sophisticated, while being easy to wear every day. They're only about $30, but they move fast. Sell them at $117 and you're making almost 4 times what you spent. There's this stylish casual windbreaker coat for men that I've been pretty excited about. It's got a lightweight cotton blend, relaxed fit, practical pockets. It's simple but stylish. It's perfect for looking slick every day. You can pick it up for around $53 and get $219 back for it. That's a solid $165 in profit on a versatile jacket that's easy to sell. And finally, the vintage corduroy lapel trench coat for men. It's retro corduroy with roomy pockets and a nice loose fit. It gives off the vintage vibe that everybody loves. You can get it for around $44 and sell it for about $143. That's an easy $100. If you want to skip the guesswork, Sellvia's got a lot of product packs that are perfect for catching Fashion Week trends. They're really on top of their game when it comes to tracking what's selling best, bundling it up, and giving it to you as ready to upload product packs, complete with descriptions and photos. If you're interested in selling any of the stuff I mentioned, then I'll leave the links to the packs they're in below. Having the right products ready to go at the right time is the whole trick when it comes to dropshipping. And with Sellvia, that's easier than ever. You can literally grab a product pack, upload it to your store in a few clicks, and start selling the same day. and all without having to worry about whether it's in demand or not. You can also check out their advertising services, like Sellvia Ads, for example. Having perfect product selection is not enough. You got to make sure your stuff gets in front of people's eyes as well. All of Sellvia's marketing services are really great, but I'm especially a big fan of Sellvia Ads, just because they use cutting-edge AI tech to make sure your ads target the right people at the right time, and it's all with a minimal amount of effort on your end. All right, y'all, that's my 2 cents for the day. Catch trends, get in early, and everything's gonna be a-okay. Things are gonna be just peachy. I've left the links to everything I've talked about below in the description, so check it out if you're looking to put a little pep in your sales. Anyway, smash that like button, subscribe for more, hit the nutty bell, and let's get some more wins under our belts. Catch y'all later.